Okay.
Okay, so we are here. Hi. This is Mark Schwans, and
And this is Kaisha Meeks.
there we are. We're both here. We just thought we would share a little bit about our first session with the media arts and with the LA County Department of Education.
Mhm.
We are just so excited about this opportunity.
Yes.
I'm going to share just a little bit on my slide here. First of all, just this timeline I thought that they gave was really helpful.
It really was. I totally agree with you. I love the way
It's,
that they had mapped it out for us so that we
yeah,
know, what we're looking forward to throughout the entire sessions.
right. And you notice how even their timeline was very well designed.
Mhm.
It's not just a horizontal timeline or something. It's kind of vertical, and it's got these anyway really cool graphics and stuff.
Yes.
So, media art standards. Oh, that's right, Keisha. You're going to talk a little bit about that, but that's on your slide.
Hmm.
I would just mention that, one of the things they said is that students are already making, creating, and sharing media on their own, but
Hmm.
they need the skills. And so by incorporating the media art standards, you're going to do just that.
Right. And what I appreciate about the session is that looking at it, of course, our children are that where they're in the age where they're using this on a regular basis anyway.
Yeah.
But within the classroom, they showed us and talked about many different ways that we can incorporate it into our lessons on a daily basis anyway. So I did appreciate that.
Yeah, definitely.
Hmm.
And then storytelling, I think that's the other thing that's impressed on me. And I had this before the first session, but I'm glad that it's something that we're going to get more into and get deeper into, and that is, what makes effective storytelling in our educational context, and
Hmm.
because it can be a bit of a learning curve when you start developing and creating your own media.
Hmm. Definitely.
But also the emphasis is on social and emotional well-being, and storytelling can have that effect. Okay, we
Yes.
finally got to your slide, so
Okay.
what say ye?
So here, the question was asked of us, well, what is media arts? And of course, we all have many different interpretations. However, they were all centered around, basically the same thing. So some people said, it was design, in which that's a broad, topic. Design can be anything. And in media arts, it shows us that if we, bring this into the classroom and allow the students to be as creative as they would like to be, which is another bullet point there, they will design whatever they interpret it to be. It's also production. Media
Mhm.
arts is also communication, as you were saying, with storytelling.
Yeah.
It's how the child or the student would like to communicate either their feelings or their excitement. Whatever it is that they would like to communicate, they can do that through media arts.
Yeah.
Media arts is also arts in itself. It's a
Yes.
representation of the different things that we can do within the realm of arts, and then it's
Yeah.
also technology based. So
Great.
I thought that was something good to start with because, even as adults, we all have our own interpretation of what art is. And then here's
Mm,
another spectrum of it, media arts.
good.
So, yeah, so that was that one. I also like that media arts presents the opportunity to be hands on. The
Right.
students can feel, in charge or independent of their own work. And so I
Yeah.
really like that as well. It gives our students the opportunity to choose how they would like to express themselves in their learnings. And then it
Hmm.
also taps into the different types of learning modalities that our students actually possess.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, everybody, we don't have a Q&A because this isn't live, but we're glad you joined us on this little adventure, and we wish you could all be there with us in the next session.
Yes. Don't miss out because there's some really
So,
good sessions coming up.
all right.
Yes.
Well, going to sign off here. Have a nice day, everybody.
All right. Take care.